Hi there, please like and subscribe. I beg you. Tap open Snapchat. Tap log in. Write username, email or phone. I am writing mail. Tap forgot your password. Please choose how you want to reset your password via phone, via email. We can change my email. Tap continue. Team Snapchat login 112 500. Confirm your mail. Enter the code sent to my email. Send video allow. Access camera allow. Let's change the password. Tap. We can add mobile number. Tap password. To set a new password, please enter your current password first. Tap forget your password. Please choose how you want to reset your password via email. If you do not know your current password, you can change it. Write email. Tap submit. Time Snapchat. Check your inbox with send a verification email. Open it and tap the change password link to continue. Open Gmail. Tap. Hi Samuel. To reset your password for Snapchat, please click the following link. If you don't want to reset your password, you can ignore this message. Someone probably typed your username or email address by mistake. Thanks. To change my password to protect your account as well as possible, please select a password that's at least 8 characters long and contains a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and or symbols. Stop. Confirm password. Don't use the same password on different services, especially if you are using the same username. Tap save. Password change. This mail to let you know that the password. Make sure you store your new password in a password manager or save it, please. Open Snapchat. Tap Snapchat. Tap login. We write our password. Tap login. Please like and subscribe. To recover your account, you need access to the phone number or email address you used during registration. Search for logins and the password in notebooks and the paper notes at home. Log through message archives in WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, and other messengers as well as in your email inboxes. Your credentials may be saved there. On your Android or iPhone, the operating system will offer to save the password when you log into a website and apps, and you won't have to keep all the passwords in your head anymore. The phone itself will remember them and offer them when necessary.